Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel with this new video about a latest rugged smartphone that is designed to be tough and durable. And it is also packed with some impressive features, and this smartphone is Cubot KingKong 9. The KingKong 9 is built like a tank. It's made from high quality materials and it is IP69K certified, which means it's waterproof, dustproof and shockproof. The KingKong 9 has a 6.58-inch Full HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display is bright and clear, and it is perfect for watching videos and playing games. This smartphone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which is a powerful chipset that can handle even the most demanding tasks. Use this phone for months and you won't experience any lag or slowdowns. The KingKong 9 has a triple lens rear camera with a 100MP main sensor. The camera takes great photos even in low light. It has a massive 10,000 mAh battery, and here are other features. Pause the video and go through them. The Cubot KingKong 9 is an excellent rugged smartphone that is perfect for anyone who needs a phone that can withstand anything. It's packed with powerful features and it has a long-lasting battery. If you are looking for a tough and durable phone, I highly recommend the Cubot KingKong 9. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you need more details about the phone, check the link in the description. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more reviews.